In this lecture, we are going to see how to install and configure WP Rocket Cache plugin. Once you have bought the WP Rocket Cache plugin from their website, which we have seen in the previous lecture, you will get a zip file having that plugin. Also, I will attach the URL to WP Rocket Cache plugin in this lecture as a resource. You just need to go to Plugins and then Add New. Then click on Upload Plugin button. You will get a Choose File box. Click Choose File and choose the zip file that you have got from WP Rocket website. Just select it and click Open. Now you just need to select Install Now button to install WP Rocket Cache plugin. Once the installation is over, click on Activate Plugin. You will get WP Rocket in your admin bar. And also, under the left side panel settings, and then WP Rocket. Click on it to open WP Rocket configuration. You will be taken to this WP Rocket dashboard page. Now just enable the checkboxes that I enabled here. Parallelly, I will explain you what each option will do on your website. Let's start with Cache tab. Coming down to Mobile Cache. Yes, we need to enable caching for mobile devices. Let's create a separate cache file for mobile devices. Leave the user cache disabled. If you enable it, then even logged in users like administrators, editors are all served the cached version of your website. Sometimes the small changes that you do to your website cannot be previewed until you clear the cache. That may create some unnecessary confusion. So leave it disabled. The default cache lifespan is set to 10 hours. If your site is less dynamic, that is, if your site's content won't change frequently, you can increase or decrease this accordingly. It's better to leave it to default value. Let's skip File Optimization tab for now and move on to Media tab. In our Speed Booster plugin configuration in Page Speed Technique 1, we have seen Lazy Load Images feature. Since several websites use themes from Theme Forest or lot of plugins to display videos with several styling options, those videos and iframes will not come under lazy load feature of Speed Booster plugin. So they unnecessarily take a lot of time to load while carrying out page speed test, and also users will experience a lot of load time. To counter that, WP Rocket offers lazy load for not only images but also iframes and videos. Generally, this should work with most of the websites. But after enabling lazy load for images, iframes, and videos, click Save Changes button and preview your website. Check whether these components loads correctly. Many students skip to preview their website after this step, and later they won't be able to find which option is messing up their site. So after enabling lazy load for images and videos, click Save Changes button, then go to Dashboard, click Clear Cache button, and preview your website in an incognito window and not in a new tab, as administrators will not be served the cached version of your website. Coming back to Media tab, you need to disable emoji. This will reduce the number of requests and can improve load time of your site. Coming to WordPress embeds. This disables both way of embedding. Others cannot embed your website on theirs, and you too cannot embed their website on yours. It removes the JavaScript request related to WordPress embed only. So other embeds like YouTube, Vimeo, etc. will work fine. That's it. We have completed configuring the basic cache settings and media settings. Let's hit Save Changes button and preview our websites. Whenever I say preview your website, don't skip that step. Preview in a new incognito window. That's highly essential. Let's see File Optimization tab in the next lecture.